Hey guys, before I start this video, I just want to point out, once again, I created a Discord server. Link's going to be in the description. Just come join, because I'm lonely and desperate, and I have no friends. So yeah, just come join. Chill out in the chats. Still building it, it's not great yet. Just come along and chill. Just do it. Yeah. Now onto the video. Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we are playing Life After. I haven't really looked at this game too much, but by the looks of it, it's a survival game. It looks really cool, and I get a dog, so this game already gets an A+ from me. So, I'm gonna give him a red colour. Oh cool, you can change the colour. I'm just gonna make him that. His name's gonna be Rex, because why not? That's not how you spell Rex. There we go. But yeah, it looks really cool from what I've seen of it. I haven't watched any videos on it or anything, or really looked at it much, because I want this to be my first time really looking at it. So, I'm just gonna start. What? Start. Enjoy it. This looks really cool. No joke, looks awesome. Wait, this is multiplayer? I might try this with Soda Pop. Not Soda Pop. Blaze Notion if you're watching. Hit me up. Go alone for now, because I have no friends. Yeah, it looks really interesting from what I've seen, so hopefully it's good. There's me dog, Rexy. Oh, what the... Okay. How is that guy missing every single shot? Oh shit. What the fuck? Why didn't it shoot? Shit. What the... Okay. This is not what I expected, but sure. Yeah, we're dead. Okay, game's over. Yeah, we crashed. What? I'm more lost now than I was. Oh, all my friends are dead. It's just me. I reckon this would be really cool. In a co-op mode. It's a life to take. Okay, I'll pick it up. Slide to activate. Okay, cool. It looks really good. Well, for a mobile game, it looks really good. I have no idea what I'm meant to do. Okay, kids, apparently fire doesn't hurt you. So, go ahead and just step in fire. Cause it's fine. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Can I just go on a hike? I'm guessing I'm gonna have to follow this truck. Wait, do I have a gun? No. Okay, I just met old mate Alexi. Is that his name? He's running that way. Cool. What's up, Alexi? I'm gonna call you Fred because I can't be bothered to say your name. Okay, I don't know you. Man, that was close, thanks. No problem. I saw a car explode, so I came to check it out. People have to take care of each other in the wild. I'm Jeffrey. I'm looking for my partner. We got separated. My companions, they... No one alive here. How many were there of you? They're, including me, just 3 people and my dog. Oh, don't tell me my dog... If my dog died, I swear I'm gonna kill someone. Okay, I can't be bothered to read everything. Okay. Be careful. Go ahead. I'll wait here. Feel free to ask me anything. Tap the... Oh, he gave me a... What's an axe and a pickaxe gonna do, honestly? Okay, let's... What? Oh, you want me to chop down some trees? Serious? I'm a great shot. What? Switch to your... There we go. Chopping down me tree. Gather... This is weed. Am I just gonna be a stoner survivor? Okay, what's the next thing I have to do? And grab me pickaxe. Let's get some stone. Okay, formula making. Oh, I hope this doesn't get too complicated. I'm not very smart. Gotcha. I don't really gotcha. What were you telling me to do? I'm just gonna gather more stone. Haha. Simple crafting. Ooh. I'm gonna try and make a machete. There we go. Craft. There we go. Back. Yeah. Ask Alaski and see if he knows a way out. I feel like if he knew a way out, he would have been out of here by now. And my game's lagging. Fantastic. Okay, Jeff, do you know a way out? Is your machete ready? Yes, it is. This is a dead end. I must find a way to leave. I'll check that car to see if it works. And you go look around and try find a way out. Okay, I just asked you for a way out. Now you're gonna send me. But sure. Okay, let's go. Mission resources. Walk around and try to find a way out. That's what I was doing before. Let's try to find a way. Found a way out. There's a hole in the fence here. Can I just crawl out? I don't want to go home. I don't know where to go. You gotta give me a bit more of a hint than this. Okay, I think I started to go completely insane. I'm talking to my dog now. Woof. Oh. Fair enough. Hey. Here you are. Woof, woof, woof. Good point, mate. Great to see you safe. Where did you go? Woof. Why am I talking to a dog? Do I really think he's just gonna be like, oh yeah, I went down to the pub and got myself for the schooner? Woof, woof. You got something, didn't you? Woof, woof. Oh, it's a ladder. I swear that wasn't there before. Like, I promise you guys. Oh, it wasn't showing me the ladder, it was just showing me berries. It wasn't showing me. Yeah, it was showing me the ladder. What do I do? Excuse? I'm stuck in the circle. What do you mean? Something is up there, isn't it? Ugh. Okay, let's go tell Jeff. I'm guessing it'll probably be easier if I do this with someone else. And then I can actually talk to them. It'll be a lot easier. I found my dog. Let's go. I should probably be reading what he says so that I know what's going on, but... Oh well. I'll figure it out. Why is he running so fast? I mean, I understand we're like in a zombie invasion and everything, but slow down, mate. How's he gonna get up? If I have to get him. Oh, push down the ladder. Can I just leave him? Okay, I'm gonna leave you on that. See what happens in the next video. Tomorrow's video. Do I go? Do we survive? I don't know. You're gonna have to come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching the video. See you guys next time. Peace out.
Like a Hellcat.